and see by yourself there. The evaporator fan is now being activated. Welcome guys, today we're going to repair this Eliwell IWC 750LX, and the issue of this one guys is the evaporator fan doesn't have a 220 output. And here's the line. We have the terminal number 7 and terminal number 8 for the neutral, and I just wire this up here. This is my supply and this is my 2 NTC sensor. It's being connected there. 16, 17 for the room sensor and 18 and 19 for the PB2, which is the evaporator sensor. And here's the supply guys. 14 and 15 is the supply 220. So I'm going to power this up so you will see by yourself. And after that I'm going to put a load here for the terminal number 7. And if we're going to count from here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so here 7 and a neutral terminal number 8 there. And here's our load for the evaporator fan. See for yourself if this will going to activate. And let's power this on. The line for the compressor is now activated. Here, look at my test pen. My test pen is light up, and this is the line compressor here, terminal number 12. And for the terminal number 7, there is no activity. 8, no activity, because the light indicator for the fan here's the light indicator for the fan is not being light up here. So this is the light indicator for the compressor, and we're going to turn off and flip, and we're going to take a measurement with the coil, but there is no clicking sounds when the activation is being done. So we're going to take a measurement here. The coil is good. Here's the magic guys. I will make this easy for you. If you're my subscriber and you're following me whenever I uploaded a video, the fan as well as the defrost here, the defrost and the fan is being measured by the evaporator sensor. And here's our evaporator sensor, and I'm going to plug that out there, and I'm going to replace it, and later we're going to measure the value for that. And here's my replacement guys, and I'm gonna show you that the sensor doesn't show up any problem because we didn't encounter any error. There, it's being connected now. Kung kayo ay subscriber ko, nabanggit ko na sa aking tutorial na ang evaporator sensor, ang kinokontrol niyan is evaporator fan motor at saka defrost heater. Tignan ko, papakita ko sa inyo ha. Yan, power on natin. Let's power it on and see by yourself there. The evaporator fan evaporator fan is now being activated, and I'm gonna show you the terminal number 7. Take a look with my test pen. The test pen is light, and this is the compressor. Now the issue is fixed, and I'm gonna show you what is the issue, guys. Here's the stock sensor. So one of these is the sensor here, and I'm going to measure it so you have an idea what is the measurement for this, what is the value right now. Take note, thermistor is family of resistor, and resistor is subject for change value. We got 7.53. We got 7.53, and let's take a look with my replacement here. That is 7.53, while my replacement, take a look, and take a look, my replacement is 9.29. Again, there, 9.28 kilo ohms, while the defective one change its value to 7.53. So this sensor is now defective, but there is no error showing up. Okay, once again, let's prove it. Same sensor. I'm going to insert that here. There, it's being inserted, and we're going to power that on again. See, it did not start. The evaporator fan did not power on. And here's my test pen. I'm touching the terminal number 7. So I hope this tutorial helps you guys once you encountered this issue. The evaporator fan is not engaging, and the technicians other than me, they run the evaporator fan 24/7, and the issue for that, once it runs for 24/7, just count 5 months below and the fan motor will be for the second time. We're going to, here's the defective. Let's power that on and see for yourself if I fix the issue. There, the evaporator fan activated, and here's the light indicator for the evaporator fan. There, and the light indicator for the compressor. Let's check once again. Here's the terminal number 7 for the evaporator fan, and take a look with my test pen. And here's the compressor. So fixing digital control is easy. I hope I share knowledge to you guys. If you think that this tutorial helps you, please don't hesitate to click the follow button or subscribe button once you watch me in my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, everyone. Until next time, mabuhay.